nandito na kami ni Mama, kasama namin ang mga friends namin. Ano na kami, pa-check-in na kami para sa aming Disney cruise. So, ito, talagang tinlan talaga namin to. So, ayan ang itsura. Ito ang Marina Bay Cruise Center ng Singapore. So, hintay lang namin yung ibang kasama namin. Hello! So, ayan. Ayun, hindi lang makita ang Disney Adventure, the largest cruise ng Disney. And this is Asia's first cruise dito muna sa Singapore. So ayan, ang dami mga pasakay na. So excited. We will video everything mamaya pagsakay namin sa barko. Ayun si Mama. Hintay lang namin yung mga kasama namin. Hi Becca, si Becca. Pinsa namin. O diba, naka-Disney outfit na siya. See you later! Bilisan yung mag-matbat. Bilisan mo. Isa pa. Netflix lang isa. Hindi na, sa ano na lang tayo. Sa buffet na lang agad tayo. Baka... Ayan. Ito ang view mula sa 17th floor. Sa baba ang area ng Garden Theater. Meron theater dyan. May mga nagpe-perform. Ito yung mga rooms with balcony, both sides. And then, tarang! Ito na yung ating 17th floor na may pool, may kainan. Yan yung swimming pool. Yan. Guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo ang ating Brendo ay drink all you can 24 hours. Ayan yung mga cups. Coffee all you can. Okay. And then soft ice cream all you can. Ayan siya. Every hour, hindi na uubos yan. Drink all you can kami yan. Yan yung mga cups. Yung ice cream yata nasa kabilang side kasi ito yung kanilang coffee maker. Okay. So, grabe. Experience of a lifetime. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Ayan. So, ayan na yung dagat. Ayan yung parang jacuzzi. May mga life jackets for kids. Ayan. Ayan ang dagat. Okay, we're sailing. Punta na ako sa buffet again. Just take note na ang buffet ay 11 times kaming nagbo-buffet. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Pizza all you can, whole day. Ice cream all you can. Sandwich all you can. And snacks all you can. Plus, room service 24 hours. Walang bayad kasama sa package. Order lang ng order. Room service 24 hours. Iba-ibang menus every day. So, ayan. Diba guys? Sulit. Okay, ito yung pizza. May line. Makikita mo yung pizza. Yan. Kuha ka lang. Pabalik-balik. Kahit ang kunin mo, walang plato. Walang question. Ayan, kita mo sila, oh. Oh, ang dami nilang kinuha, di ba? So, di ka naman. Late lunch kami kasi, Diyos ko, yung mga kasamahan namin, sumuko na. Dahil ba naman buffet araw-araw at eat all you can araw-araw. So, ngayon, 1 PM na kami. Ito, magle-lazy around ka lang dito. Oh. Yan pala yung roller coaster. Oh. Yan yung roller coaster. I don't know, mamaya pa yata tatakbo yan late after na. Ito pala, yung parang bar. Oh, diba? Social. Love it! So iba, they chose na mag-pizza. Yan. Punta na kami sa buffet area. So guys, try nyo tong Disney Cruise Adventure. Talagang once in a lifetime experience. Ito na pala yung soft ice cream. Ice cream if you can. Yan na yung ice cream if you can. 24 hours, kahit madaling araw. Ayun yung mga cones. Diba? Ice cream all you can. CBC's Creases. Tapos, padami nagpapalabas sa mga Disney shows. Ayan, Beauty and the Beast. Okay, so, till our next vlog. Salamat!
Card natin.
So that's our key card.
Ako ha. And then, we have one for me, one for Dennis,
Okay, you keep it first.
and one for
Mama, I'll keep both for us.
Ayan, ito natin. Tingin na kayo.
Yun.
Ano yun?
Nakakailangan yun sa kamay naman. Yun. Alright. So this is our room. Okay. So, nagde-decorate na sila ng kanilang doors. So, ayan. Disney tradition yan, yung pag-decorate ng doors. So, this is our room. Separate ang bathroom sa toilet. Okay.
Ay, meron ano. Meron.
Ganda.
Iba. Kasi ilalim.
Yung toilet nila sa yung bathroom is bigger than the spectrum of the seas.
Ganun ba?
Yep. So, yan si Mama. Pagoda.
Mas malaki yung bed ko. Okay. Bed.
So, ano kami? Aerial room. Hello, how do you do?
How many person here, sir? Three. So, in the night, when you go for dinner, I will open some money as a bed.
Okay.
May I get your name?
Putu.
Putu. So nice to have you with us.
You know the meaning of putu in the Philippines?
Yeah, rice
Rice
cake.
cake.
It's a rice cake. Do you know the meaning of puto in
Yeah.
Mexico?
Puta, no?
I know that because
Diba? But in the Philippines, we turned it into a dessert.
Yeah.
Filipinos.
You know, we have also puto in our country.
Yeah.
Oh,
You know,
okay.
the coconut with the sugar, no?
Yes, okay.
Yeah, this is...
where are you in Canada?
From Bali.
In Bali?
Bali. Wow.
Oh, I've been to Bali.
You been to Bali?
Yeah,
Where did
yeah.
you stay? Still remember?
No, sa
Couple years
Trinidad.
ago.
No, it was before pandemic.
Before pandemic.
I've been to Jakarta, to Bali.
So you sweating. So
Yeah.
you can put more.
What?
Yes.
Yeah, please.
You know, puto?
Madam.
Yeah, that's my mom. Yeah.
How are you, madam? Very nice to meet you, madam.
Yeah,
Welcome.
yeah. You know, guess how old she is?
Yeah.
She's 80 years old.
I have also 100
Ma'am?
years old.
How
Yes.
good?
No, ma'am.
Ah.
My
Mother.
grandmother.
Oh, she's like your grandmother age already.
Madam. Very
Yeah.
nice to meet you.
You know what I'm happy about? I saw a how do you pronounce this? Baka or bacha?
Basa.
Basa.
Basa, yeah. This is sing.
Do you supply us with this every day?
Yeah, morning and evening. No problem, sir. I will take.
Give me more.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can be.
You're a good friend. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay.
You're welcome.
We'll see you later.
So in the night, when you go for dinner, I will open sofa.
Okay.
So it's a bed. So
Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank
so
you,
in the morning,
Putu.
I will open again. I close again like a sofa, or just leave it like
Leave
a
it
bed?
like that.
Like that. Okay.
So that it will not be hard for you to go back
Okay,
every
thank
day.
you. Thank you very
Yes,
much.
yes, that will be good. All right, thank you. Putu.
Anyway, your luggage is complete, right?
Yes, it's okay.
So
And you will be here before we leave. Okay.
Every day, morning and evening.
Okay,
morning
good.
I clean, and then when you go for dinner, I clean again.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Thank you,
You're
Putu.
welcome.
Okay.
Bye-bye, Guru.
Yes, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye.
You have family some cabin here?
On the other side.
11, 1,
Yeah, not here.
Because I have 3 here Filipino.
Really good.
Yeah, but
That's
I
good.
don't watch together with them.
No, not with
Okay.
them. Thank you. Thank you. Guys,
One
ito.
more thing, sir.
Mm,
I just want to show you.
What?
When you press this one,
this is what makes this stay special. This is special, expensive coffee. So we have supply morning and evening. Social. All right.
Yeah.